I hope this doesn't break. It might break, but that's alright. If I lose my water bottle, I'm sorry.
I can't see this.
Something must have fallen off. Well, fudge. I'm gonna go in the shade. Huh? I'm gonna go in the shade. Dude, we can't even make it out of the basin. Of course this is happening. Hey! Here they come. Fuck yeah, that's gonna be a nice shot. What happened?
I have a bad ground because my bike shut off and I like shake it around and it started up.
Uh-oh.
But already we haven't even left town, dude.
Let's fucking figure it out. Where your ground's at. Is it? That's good.
I think it's the ICM one, dude, because
This one goes up here.
have to be the ICM one.
You think it's your ICM?
Huh?
You think it's your ICM?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. The ground on it?
Yeah. I'm pretty confident with that. I mean...
Fuck, dude.
Might just run it till it stops. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, though. What is going on? It's the ICM's ground just keeps shaking off.
The wire in that connector? Do you need to, like, can it be pushed in further, or is it like just gonna rattle out forever? You need tape? I got tape.
It's in tape.
Oh, it's in tape.
I want you to take out her fucking raft that you bought. She can't lift it.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, there it is.
That's your ground?
Shit.
Does it need to be screwed into something?
Like that? Yeah, homemade. Out of the
Watch the pipe, dude.
ground burner, so. Yeah, this is my ground.
And it needs to go to the ICM somewhere?
And then just duct tape it.
I've got, if you want like a,
If I can build
oh, we'll see what's going on.
Shit, dog on this? Yeah, look. Dude, I knew I shouldn't have used these stupid fucking connectors. These little
You can
ones.
run to my house.
Yeah, I've got like I've got something for it if you really want it. We should. Let's do it. Content! Test my fucking bag out here. Just have a yard sale in Myers. Whoops, don't go on the freeway, please. Nope, not the right one.
The little like crimp solder thingy?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, okay. Let's do that.
Strip that wire out and we'll get it on the road quick. I knew I shouldn't have put the tools in the bottom. Yeah, and then you put both wires in, touching tips inside of there. And then once it's in there, you have to use the lighter to heat it up, and that solder will melt. Put it all the way in on both sides if you can.
Let me do it first.
As far in. You want the copper. Move the slider over. See the silver in the center? Put that over the copper. And heat it up.
What? I need those. Some tape on top.
Yeah. Although if this is a ground.
There it is.
Cool. Bobber breakdown.
Oh wait, that's not keeping Tahoe blue.
Oh no, it's not. Alrighty. Battery in the camera's probably dead. Okay. Okay, take two. first stop. Made it all the way to In-N-Out.
We're running In-N-Out, now we're going out. And go with the batteries.
Yeah, we forgot all of the GoPro batteries, so we're running off a fucking cord. Oh god, but we're doing it, folks. All right, so I did something really stupid, forgot all the GoPro batteries. So this is going to be a labor of love here from here on out. Oh, there's Suni. Made it to Trav's house. Thank you, Trav, for the hospitality. And yeah, tomorrow we have the crispy ride. Made it down to Placerville all in one piece. Oh yeah, we are missing a brake light. I mean, the bulb's still good. And then Martin had a little short problem on his chop. So, but other than that, we're good. We're here. We're gonna go smoke in the backyard now. Again, thanks, Trav. We appreciate it.
Brother.
Dwayne Eknes.
Got mad bugs on my sunglasses.
Yeah, it's very buggy down here. Look at this fucking Jeep. Holy shit. Holy bones.
It's the size of my fucking
Brother. No bikes.
Yeah, this fucking carry house is haunted.
Oh, what? Oh, the brick one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
There's also a tunnel that runs right through there that they go all throughout the fucking city.
Dude. Placerville's pretty sick.
Dude, let's go talk to that guy. That guy looks interesting.
Oh, I hear one. I hear him.
Brother.
You look like a real brother.
You going on a crispy ride?
See? Isn't it fun? You going to Born Free in a couple weeks?
I'll see you there.
See you there, brother.
Chopper magazine.
Do you ride for Chopper's Magazine? Are you fucking Jesse James?
Damn, we could have also just parked on fucking line. There's a lot of crusty bikers that go there. I don't know.
It's all good. Is this it? Public house?
Lights are covered.
Oh, Milwaukee fucking pack out, dude. The pack out master.
Damn, why didn't we park over here? We fucked up.
Oh, it's
This is legit just fucking bicycle parking.
it's getting right. Oh, what the?
Let's go back.
Yeah, we could.
I mean, we can't. It's like. It's also nice to not be walking around the water.
Yeah, stumbling out and hopping on your bike real quick.
I know. Stay in the cesspool. They start doing pictures. So they
It's real
walk
dark
like
here.
this. Yeah, in the break. They got my son. Probably never wrapped it again.
What you said?
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning, ladies. You like that shit, man? I gotta get that shit, man.
So you're 11 through 15 now.
Hey, everybody, I set myself in an hour. Baby, that's all we need.
Oh shit. We're at 100%, dog. Full battery. There we go. All right, we got the just a bunch of sporties here and some idiots riding them. So
Goddamn bikes. Got a sweet thing.
I don't know, I'm not riding tomorrow, so.
You are riding tomorrow.
Maybe I'm riding tomorrow.
Tell your girlfriend you're riding tomorrow. Hey.
yeah,
I'll go tell her.
To where it's like tight. Did you watch the
brother?
No, yeah.
Brother!
Cause you want the fluid like right at, you see like that line of the clutch?
Oh, stand up straight.
Like you want it like right above that. Oh, no.
you need a new socket. What is this?
What is it's a $5, $6
Dude, I love
I
those.
built 2 motorcycles with that ratchet.
You need the like little.
2 motorcycles with that fucking ratchet.
bolts, dog.
What the fuck is this?
So your bike gets a special treatment and not
Yeah,
mine? What the fuck?
Mine's out in the streets.
You want single needle?
That's stick and poke, isn't it?
Yeah, but
Poke and poke.
single needle.
I'm not helping.
No, you're helping, bro.
We don't have any more.
This is a body mount.
So
Camera.
I have 3-prong needle. I have
What's up
one.
with my bag?
This is like actual single needle, so super skinny.
Do whatever. Do support yourself on me.
No, no,
That's
no,
so
no,
much.
no. You,
We were doing like in and
legs on?
that's what I know. Right here. That's what I was saying.
Let me just touch up the. Oh. I'll touch up a couple spots.
We tried to go for like the room, but then like when we went into the inside room, like it was like all like 80s music.
My sister's boyfriend is like standing right in front of the door, like
Soup snakes.
I guess he'd been lost for about
Soup snakes.
spotted me and was like, oh, savior, and was just like waiting for me outside the porta potty until I got out. But it like caught me off guard, and he even asked me, he's like, do you have all your stuff? And I'm like, yeah, totally. And we walked